Surprisingly, my favorite bag out of the 5 EDC bags was one I probably thought I wouldn't use that much, but it's been the Satchel. I'm able to put everything that I need at my fingertips. The smaller size of the Satchel has really suited me well for my everyday life.
This bag is the Satchel. This is the smallest bag in the Vertx bag line. However, it is built out of the same 220-310 Cordura. This front panel can be stowed inside, exposing that Velcro Molly wall. The front pocket comes back out. You have aluminum G-hooks, so you can tie into the side of the bag, and that allows you to use this front portion as a billows. There are snaps on the inside that actually snap the zippers up into the inside wall of the bag. That gives you a little bit of security. The carry handle in here works great for inside the vehicle. You can reach down, you can grab a hold of this handle. Up in the top, you have an admin pouch, key lanyard. You have these 2 pockets, water bottle, baby bottle, thing like that. Now, as we get into the working portion of the bag, the zippers stop as it starts to open up. That allows the security and privacy of the bag, much like the rest of the bags in the line. Inside, you still have Velcro and admin pouches. There's a large zipper portion in the front portion of the bag. And in the back, there's a mesh pocket, zipper controlled, and then there's a spot for a small laptop, notebook, iPad, things like that. Also in the back is another zipper pocket that allows you to stow something even in further behind. In where you would actually keep your defensive equipment, your handgun, things like that, as we open that up, zipper stops that allow this zipper not to travel past, cuts down on excessive movement, also keeps me from blowing the front of the bag open. The zipper stop over here with my leading zipper, that allows me to get in and get my defensive equipment. If we need to get into that portion to load, that allows it to blow it all the way open. That gives you both Velcro panels in here. 1919 webbing, again, nothing that screams real tactical about it, but it's very utilitarian. And it is also adjustable depending on your height and where you want it to ride on your body. Also has the waistband strap. If you don't want it, you can stow it. And this is the Satchel.